Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on HONOR X5b. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Then click here on Hey Google and click on More and I agree. Then click on More and I agree again and click Next. Now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the order tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click Next, and then you can go back and click on Lock Screen. Then click Yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. Then you can go back and go back again, and then click on Gemini. Now click on More and Continue, and scroll down and click Use Gemini. Now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.